This cocktail is called Brandy Fizz. Go ahead and start out by putting your ice in your glass, like so. We're going to do 2.5 ounces of brandy. So let's measure that out in our jigger here. There's 1. There's 2. The other side is 1/2. 2.5 ounces of brandy. Now we're going to do 1 ounce of lemon juice. Woo! Ha! There we go, 1 ounce of lemon juice. Now you're going to fill the rest up, so 4 ounces or so, let's eyeball it, with club soda and a teaspoon or so of sugar, like that. Mix it all together. Because of the club soda and the sugar, your Brandy Fizz will have a nice little fizz to it, like so. Yay! Go ahead and garnish that with a stirry straw, and you could add a cherry, would go good with this, and you are good to go. Enjoy your Brandy Fizz. Cheers.